part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. English has 8 main parts of speech. 1. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Maria smiled. We visited the park. The cat slept. Love is powerful. The teacher laughed. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. For example, she is happy. He runs fast. It is raining. They are my friends. We love reading. 3. Verb. A verb expresses action, occurrence, or a state of being. For example, birds fly. The baby cried. She runs daily. He is tired. The accident happened. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, the happy child laughed. She has a red dress. The tall tree sways. He adopted a small dog. They saw a bright star. 5. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, she ran quickly. He spoke softly. The dog barked loudly. She is very happy. He runs very fast. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. For example, the cat is under the table. She sat beside me. The book is on the desk. We walked through the park. The ball rolled into the yard. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, I like tea and coffee. She ran but fell. Do you want cake or pie? He tried but failed. I stayed home because it rained. 8. Interjection. An interjection expresses sudden emotion or feeling. For example, wow, that is amazing. Oh, I forgot my keys. Ouch, that hurt. Yay, we won. Oops, I dropped it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.